Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Open and Shut. Today we'll discuss the common confusion that every beginner has. English is a vast and profound topic itself. Whenever any of us pick a grammar book, we start with the chapter that falls in our comfort zone. Or few adventurous students start with the most difficult topic first. It's totally fine only if you are preparing for some test on the following day. But if you are in a mood to prepare in general to make your grammar strong, you should always follow the correct pattern and prepare accordingly. If you don't know where to start with and what it should be followed by, this video is for you. So, without further delay, let's watch the list of the important topics of basic grammar. And I'm your tutor, Subita. Grammar should be divided into two parts: basic grammar, advanced grammar. Basic grammar should always start with sentence. The first and the foremost thing is sentence. As it's the building block of any language, you should properly and thoroughly study sentence, its parts, division, types, and framing of sentence. But the important thing you should take care of is not to go in unnecessary detail here. Example, why this negative sentence includes has, did, do, whereas another includes have, does, and not has and did. While reading sentence, only focus on the pattern or types. Every doubt has a separate chapter to be clarified by, and the same goes with every topic respectively. The second topic is clauses. Clauses are siblings of sentence only, but mature and older than sentence. You need a little extra effort to understand them. Basic knowledge of clauses include compound and complex sentences and interchanging them into each other. Nothing else. Types of clauses, making or finding or recognizing clauses comes in advanced grammar and not in the basic grammar. Number third is verbs. Keep aside the types of verbs. Just focus on the three forms of verb. It's a long list of verbs, but it can be easily found in any grammar book. See, students take forms of verb extremely for granted, which lead their hard work done in another topics just into vain. So don't repeat the mistake and thoroughly go through all the verbs and their three forms. The best thing is you simply have to learn them and don't try to put any logic into it. And then comes the most important but the most scariest topic. Yes, you guessed it right. Tenses. Here you have to go in detail as always, and you need patience to study tenses. But let me tell you one thing, as much as you guys hate tenses, we teachers love to teach it. Fifth point is parts of speech. Remember when we were kids, small and thin books, colorful pictures, introduction of parts of speech used to start with noun. How easy it was then, just to encircle noun. Oh god. Okay, back to the present time where we have to study all the parts of speech and not only noun. No need to go into detail studying each type of each part of speech. Postpone it for advanced grammar. You should have a clean and clear idea of each part of speech. Now, two sub-points of the fifth point. First, articles. Second, transform one part of speech into the other. Very, very important. Now, the sixth point, subject-verb agreement, which will make your confusion clear. Which subject goes with which verb? It is modals. Modals serve the same purpose as verbs do, but in different situation, in different way. There are only a few modals and very easy to go through. So, this is the end of the list in basic grammar. Next three topics are on the margin that separates basic from the advanced grammar. 8th, 9th and 10th point is determiners, preposition, conjunction. Hope the series helped you, and now onwards you'll not freak whenever you open your grammar book. Till then, prepare your 7 topics, then these 3. Meet you in another video with some other useful topic that will solve your confusion. And obviously, let me know your confusions so that I should make a video on that as well. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Few students are comfortable to read or listen or study the details in Hindi language, and that's perfectly okay. I adore and admire your passion to read the grammar, to study the grammar. Maybe you, maybe your cousins, maybe your friends, or maybe someone in your neighborhood needs that Hindi video. So you can check it in the suggestion box and you'll find the same video in Hindi language. I could have easily posted the same video with Hindi language captions, but I understand why we leave grammar book and come on YouTube just to hear things that is more comfortable than reading the captions and looking at the same time at the video. So enjoy both the videos and take care. Bye bye.